That radio still come on. That's what I like. Black spot up where I put that marker. I don't know, but it's pretty straight. It's good enough for me, man. I just didn't want to eliminate my old radio, so I just had to eliminate the speakers, and I'm gonna put a brace. I'm gonna put a brace back here so it can't come through. So I just put some type of brace to hold that radio up. But it all come together. Well, we ran into a slight issue. The thing is, this radio is hitting the bottom of the floor, so it won't sit all the way down in there. So that's as good as I can get this radio in. Yeah, that's as good as I can. I haven't looked at the other side yet. Yeah, damn. Yeah, that's good as the radio gonna go. So, I mean, yeah, it ain't too bad. It ain't too bad. I just gotta find something that's gonna get that mark off. I don't know what I can use to get that mark off, but that's what we got. So I can keep my old radio in there. I want to put a flip out, but I know that the flip out is gonna come like that, and it's gonna hit the gear shifter. So I don't know. I might still give it a shot though, but that's what we got. Alright, YouTube, as you can see, I have the Dynamat sound deadener, whatever you call it. Got it laid down. We're going to try to keep all the air and sound. We're going to keep the air out, keep sound out, keep the air in, keep the heat in. So, yeah, we got this stuff laid down. This one box did the front, everything that I need. So, can't wait to put this thing in some wind to see how it actually reacts to this stuff. But we got it, it's on here. But in, it matched up pretty good. Matched up pretty good. Put it in the car and lay it down a little bit. I think it started looking like something. So I'm just gonna lay this in the car, lay it down in the car, and we're gonna go from there. Them reds on point a little bit. It's gonna come together. Just give me a minute. Cause I gotta get some floor mats too. But yeah, it's gonna all come together. Got it in there. Just about to start cutting it out now and shaping it up. And I think it's gonna look like something. It's coming along. You know, all the humps and all that stuff gonna probably eventually lay flat on their own and stuff. Like this little area right here. gonna eventually probably just lay down on his own eventually. Yep. But it's in here. Alright, got the gear shifter installed. Got the seats cut out for me. I'm making some progress. Got the computer stashed over there. Got the Dynamat laid. Yeah, it's coming together, man. I might wrap that. I actually painted it, but I might wrap it. But yeah, man. Starting to look like an SS now. Got the dash pad. Got the speaker grills. They painted. Headliner. So y'all stay tuned. Just gonna get the seats done. Do all that good stuff, and man, this car gonna come together, man. I kind of like the concept that he had, that he was going with. It's gonna come together. All right, the brackets came in. This is the Dash 2 that I was telling y'all about. Dash 2, alternator and power steering pump. And this is the Dash 2 for the AC compressor. And this is a Dash 2 pulley. So when I hook all of this up, it should line up and that belt should not jump off anymore. And this is the difference between the Dash 3 and the Dash 2. The Dash 2 spacers are smaller. You see, these spacers are longer. So it was causing the bracket to push out and be uneven with the rest of everything else. So let's hook this up and let's see how this goes. As y'all can see, I got that bracket on there, that Dash 2 bracket, and you can see how it's lining up already. I'm gonna show you a video when it wasn't lining up when I had that other one. Yeah, I just got it mocked up for right now. Gonna tighten it up, put my alternator on there. That's all she wrote. And belt shit, then we're gonna crank it up and see if it's lining up like it's supposed to.